Hi, my little bumblebees. It is Ethony and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be unboxing and going through my first impressions of the Wilder Woven Tarot. I am very excited. Do not let this tree bug box fool you. This is a absolutely stunning deck. I've seen a little bit of it on Instagram and I've also been in contact with Greg, who is the creator of this deck. So I know a little bit about what we are going to see. I'm going to swap over those cameras and I'm going to show you the Wilder Woven Tarot. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do before we get into the deck is go through the lovely envelope, the gift that I got. Look at the bear. He's a bear. Love bears. So this is a bit of a preview of some of the artwork. What have we got in here? Wow, crazy. So we have a lovely thank you card. These are two of the samples for the oracle cards that are coming. Aren't they freaking gorgeous? I want it. I want it now. I love this very divic energy of the plant divas, and Greg's colors for his watercolor work is so exceptionally stunning. Look at this sticker. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's vinyl, so it can go on something. I have a water bottle that is calling this name. And then we have this swallow little postcard. Oh, gorgeous. Thank you so much, Greg, for the extra goodies. Okay. Oh, we have it upside down. That's okay. Woo! Stuff's flying everywhere, folks. So it comes in a nice hard box. We have the guidebook. And I'll go through that after. Oh, sorry, Uggs. So the card size is pretty much a standard oracle size deck. So if you have any of them from like Hay House or Rock Pool, it's very, very similar to those sizes. So that's what you're getting. So it's a larger size for a tarot deck. I'm never mad at that. I just think that that's great. We have the same beech tree backing, bark backing. The GSM is very, very good. It's 350 GSM, so it's going to actually be it's not flimsy, and the lamination is not too reflective, so it's quite nice. Okay, so we have the Fool, and this is the Swallow that you saw before. I love the point of view of a lot of these cards. You're going to see very different points of view, and I really appreciate that and the thought that's gone into it. I also, that's the sticker, love the negative space. I love all the white. I'm really glad that the oracle deck's going to be full sort of size or full card, but I really enjoy the fact that you have these little windows. Oh, I'm dead. I'm officially dead. Whales are some of my absolute favorite, and that is so stunning. Of course, the Empress is a bunny rabbit. I really hope there's a bee in here. We'll keep our fingers crossed, little bumblebees, if there's a bee in here. The Emperor. Under the sea. Under the sea. Mice. Oh, interesting too, because you could be like 3 blind mice. But look at the little, look. There's a little book with the key and the little, I'm going to set the infinity symbol. Oh, lovebirds. Oh, I'm dead. Snails are so stinking adorable. This deck, Greg. Oh, okay, I'm further dead. Hummingbird. Okay, we could just call this Ethony overreacting to cute animals. But I see hummingbirds a lot here. I saw one yesterday actually when I was walking Thor in the morning, and I just stopped and watched it for a minute and I was like, oh, I just got a hummingbird blessing. So we actually have spirit bears here in British Columbia, and do yourself a favor, go check out Paul Nicklin. He is a wildlife photographer. He has the most amazing TED Talk, which is just, it brought me to tears. And the spirit bear is actually a very sacred bear in Canada. Then we have the grizzlies eating the salmon for the Wheel of Fortune. That's got to be right. If you're a salmon on the salmon run, you just got to like cross your fins and hope you get there. Justice, the spider. I'm actually kind of glad that it's just a silhouette of a spider, not a big fuck off spider in the middle there. I'm terrified of them. It's gorgeous. Like the Hanged Man, bats have been used a lot as a hangman in a lot of tarot decks, but I do love this perspective. so have snakes, but I like that it's a different perspective. Oh, froggies. I love froggies too. So cute. Oh, and frogs, because they take in nutrients from their skin, frogs will be the first thing to die in a water ecosystem that'll tell you that the water is bad. So temperance being that healing card, I totally get why it is a frog. Oh, the devil. The tower. Oh, great card for the tower. The star. Beautiful. Greg, you have done, oh, interesting. We have somewhere gone gone from the star to that's so great, talking about how light and shadow shift perspective. I love that. The sun, judgment. Oh, the world. That's so beautiful. I love turtles too. So now we have the cups. Oh, I love. Oh, otters. I really, really adore animals, and I love a lot of water animals. Little ducky wacky. So as you can see, with each one of the water cards, we have the drop as the silhouette now. So only the major arcana has changed. Oh, I like that the choice is about the shells. I have to watch that My Octopus Teacher documentary. Oh, orcas. So it's going to be a really easy way, oh, that's beautiful, to find how much of one element is in your reading with these. Beluga. Oh, beautiful. So now we have mountains. So cute. I'm so Australian. Every time I see a squirrel here, I still get really excited. It's been 7 years and I still can't get over how cute they are. Trash panda, also the same for trash pandas. Oh, need some food. A groundhog. That's gorgeous. I love that perspective. I think one of the things about perspectives being so well done is that my perspective painting and my point of view and my scale is shite. Like, I can't do scale very well. Tech drawing was not my friend in high school. So things tend to be very out of proportion, and Greg has done an amazing job keeping everything so beautifully done. Moose. There's a joke that I have with some people about moose. There was a very drunk man at a bar running around pretending he was a moose. It's a thing. So every time I see mooses, I go moose, because he was harmless. He was just a bit of a numpty. Really gorgeous. Swords. I love that it's smoke, and that element has come in as smoke. So we're getting, oh, and it's all different shapes. Ooh, ooh la la. Makes sense. Air is mutable and changes. So we're still getting quite a bit of perspective. Because if you had it as just a sword, it would have been hard to see anything. That's really great. Oh, that's beautiful. I know I've said that a lot, but really, these birdies really is quite stunning. Really, really gorgeous. I do like birds of prey. Oh, that's so pretty. I want that as a sticker. Little caterpillar going in a cocoon. Hey, we all knew that was coming. That was really well done. Wow. Little buggy wuggies. And a little bear. This is very, obviously you can see not only is it animal, oh, I love ladybugs, animal oriented, but this is very forest oriented deck. I love that they're actually on the wands, the Tree of Life and the Messenger. So we have 2 extra cards because it is a very forest feeling deck, and I feel that where I am in the world right now versus at home, this very much speaks to that, because a lot of the animals we get here, like we get grizzlies, we get spirit bears, we get black bears, we have moose. I don't know if do we have moose in BC? Someone's going to have to fact check me on whether we have mooses. I know they're definitely over on the East Coast. So shuffles quite well. Again, you're going to have to try and angle shuffle this because of size, but you can, I've shown many different ways you can shuffle a deck. Shuffle however you can. I'm just going to, oh, look at the little narwhal. Narwhal, magic unicorn of the sea. Right? Okay, so hang on, just pop that there and then we'll go through the book. So okay, so we have introduction, understanding the tarot, numerology in the tarot, suit of wands, we're going through that, the court cards, reversals, and now we're going into the tarot spreads. We have 1, 2, 4 spreads, and then additional notes on tarot readings, and then card interpretations. So we go into the cards. I'll try and find, well, there's quite a lot in the, so we, as you can see here, there's quite a lot for each of the major arcana. So death has got a couple of pages, and then we go into the minor arcana, and it is shortened a little bit, which is pretty standard for a lot of little white books. So then we have the Knight of Cups, which is a card that I got, upright, romance, charm, sensitivity, and then the reversed, we also have keywords and a meaning. I'm just going to go to the back. Oh, there's some notes. Okay, so then we have the extra cards, the Tree of Life. So they are at the back, and the Messenger, and then about the card back. So it's the birch tree, as I mentioned before, and then about the artist. And we have a little note section. So it's 130 pages. I think that this artwork is simply sublime. I know how much detail goes into this. You can actually see on Greg's Instagram how much detail goes into these cards and into his art. I'm wildly excited. Get it? Wilder? No, I'm wildly excited about the Oracle deck as well. But yeah, we've gone through the deck now. So what did you think of the Wilder Woven Tarot? And did you know that there is an Oracle deck in the making? So make sure you go and check that out as well on Greg's Instagram. I want you to let me know if you've been working with this deck and if it's been really incorporated into your readings. Pop those comments below, and please give this video a little bit of a thumbs up or a like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you little fuzzy bumblebees next time.